I think it's really hit home for me. I've had some emails from people who have requested shields from us. Can we pick up next week because our care home has instances of coronavirus. They have to now self-isolate and be tested. And they've had one of the care homes stated they had 16 residents who passed away due to this. So I think it's really, when you get those kind of messages, it's really hitting home. So as of last night, we had 1,200 shields printed. Out of that, we've supported 46 separate organisations and teams. Every £2 of donation we get, we're targeting one face shield, and that covers the cost of everything from materials to actually packaging and getting the stuff to people. But yeah, we're continuing to encourage the funding because the more we get, the more we'll produce.